Friends, Running Kimono here. So we have some Walgreens cheapies and freebies. If you have an itch to get back to the store, I have some deals, pour vu, including some free makeup over at Walgreens. How nice is that? And then over at Rite Aid, if you might have one of those Caress gift sets, there's a very valuable $2 coupon to make it 89 cents for the body wash that's on clearance. Kind of awesome. We'll talk about that. What we're going to talk about is Walgreens, and we're going to talk about some of the clearance makeup that is freebies with the Ibotta app. Makeup, you can see it's kind of like separating in the bottle. It's been there for a bit, so I don't know, maybe a year, I don't know. But it's $2.99, and that is the cheapest price for this concealer. There's also some other products that are, upwards of $5, but with the rebate that we have, we're looking for products that are $4 or under. This was another one, which is some sort of cleanser for $3.49. And this interests me more than the separating concealer. So grab whatever you can find in your store. Definitely open up your Ibotta app and see the item that's attaching to the rebate. That is the most important. And this is the rebate, which is $4 back for one skincare product or like foundation, concealer, that sort of thing. But it's only a limit of one with the Ibotta rebate. The second item that's giving a very good rebate are the different quads. Now, at this store that I was visiting, they were $5.79, and with a $4 rebate, that would be $1.79. And I'm not about paying that for makeup, but if you can find this guy for like $2.79, which I've seen at a couple of stores, definitely pick it up. Here's the rebate, guys. It is $4 back for an eye product. So boom, there it is. But yeah, it's just really high value rebates with Ibotta for Covergirl. Ideally, if you can get that eyeshadow for like under $4, like $2.79 is the ideal spot. And then the hydrating cream cleanser for me was like $3.50. But with the $4 rebate, I'll pay that all day, every day. Unfortunately, we don't have any digital coupons, but Ibotta has a $4 rebate back for both, so you'll get $8 back. I only picked up the hydrating cream for myself, and I got $4 back, so it made it free plus a 50-cent money maker. And I used Walgreens cash to pay for it, so it was a win-win-win-win-win. The next deal that we have is with the Toffifee, and they are 2 for $5 for these smaller boxes of the 12 count. Perfect size to fit in any stocking. I think everybody would be so happy to get some Toffifee. So grabbing 2 of them into my cart, and I showed this as a curbside offer yesterday. You can do it either curbside or in-store. It is your choice. Now look at this little slide carefully. At the top, we have $1 back from coupons.com. Below, we have 50 cents back from Ibotta, bottom right-hand corner. And then on the left-hand side, we have a digital coupon for $1 off on one of those boxes. So grabbing 2 of them for $5, we have the $1 digital coupon. So at the till, you're going to pay $4. Make that 50-cent submission twice to Ibotta to get $1 back. Make a $1 submission back to the coupons.com app to get another $1 back. It shakes these boxes out to $2 for 2 or $1 per box. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, by all means, go for it. But it's just like a win-win-win. Some very inexpensive candy. We're getting so close to Christmas. If you like to put this in a stocking or gift this, hello, great deal. The last deal I want to touch on is the Head & Shoulders Supreme. So there's 2 different deals with Head & Shoulders, 2 for $12, and then buy one, get one 50% off on the higher value line of Head & Shoulders. So we're going to grab one of the Supreme products and then one of the clinical products. And sorry guys, my photography skills were so amazing. It was a total blur shot of my coat that I took. So I got one of the clinical conditioners and then one of the Head & Shoulders Supreme, that bigger one that's white, for on a buy one, get one 50% off. So one of each. Also have this digital coupon for the more prestige brand of Head & Shoulders, which is a 3 off a 2. Over on Ibotta, we're getting $2.50 back for each. Plus, when you buy both, you get a 50 cent bonus. So double, triple check that you have these Ibotta rebates. I also threw into the mix one of these guys, which is a $5 store coupon. You can only use one per transaction, and I just really wanted to use it. So I didn't expire it or forget about it. So I definitely threw one of those into the mix, grabbing one Head and Shoulders Supreme and then one of the Clinical. That's $16.48. $10.99 on a buy one get one 50% off. That's how I'm getting the math. The 3 off 2 digital came off, plus the $5 store coupon. Paying $8.48 out of pocket, getting $5.50 back from Ibotta. Very good deal for this Prestige line shampoo. If you have psoriasis or dry scalp, you know the value. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, by all means, it's just an opportunity to get some of this stuff on the cheap. This coupon showed up this morning, $7 off a Maybelline kit. It's valid right till the middle of January, but who knows, they might pull it. Right now, these guys are $9.99. Subtracting that $7 coupon, you're paying $2.99. If you might have the $5, they're on a BOGO 50% off. They still shake out to $2.99 if you grab two using a 7 and a 5. But yeah, last minute stocking stuffers found at Walgreens. Okay, so now we're over at Rite Aid, and I know not everybody has a Rite Aid, but if you might have this pharmacy, you might want to do this deal. Tons of body wash, hand soaps, lotions on clearance right now. They usually clear out their stuff right now to January, so if you're in search for certain items, or alternatively, if you might have some high value coupons, you could possibly do some deals. So there was a gift set by Caress, where it was like 2 body washes in a little box for like $10. Like Walmart sold it. I think even Rite Aid sold it. So at Walmart, some lady, I think, had opened up a set. Maybe she wanted to smell everything, but the actual coupons were on the floor, and I found them one day when I was shopping, and I was like, what? So I just grabbed them. They were on the floor. There was no half-open box, so I just kept them. Found finders keepers on the floor, and I've seen people open up these sets before to smell it, which I don't really understand, but I guess people do whatever. And so I had a $2 coupon, which is like a super high value coupon. It's in that gift set for this year's Caress. If you're gifting it, you might want to crack one open to get the coupon. Here it is. It's $2 off of one of the body washes, which is a very generous coupon. And right now, the Caress body wash is 50% off at $2.89. Utilizing that coupon, guys, it'll be 89 cents for a Caress body wash. I actually am out of bonus cash on both of my store cards, so I had $3 left, so I was just looking to get like the cheapest little haul. So I got 2 body washes and a thing of candy and called it a day, and I used my last $3. I'm trying to roll my bonus cash for the bonus cash challenges, so there is nothing left on my card. I know it's not very good Rite Aid etiquette, but that's what I have left. Another good deal that I found was with the Olay, this fancier body wash, and it's $5 and some change. And we have a 4 off of 2 again in the box. We were getting them really cheap over at Walgreens. So what you would do is open the box, and it's right at the top, and it's a 4 off of 2, and I think it's valid for a year or like at least 6 months. So it's valid till September the 30th, and it's a 4 off of 2 on these premium brands, and it's like $5 and some change for one of those Olay. So grabbing 2 of them, it would be $10.99. Subtracting this, you're paying $6.99 for 2. I think that would make a really cute stocking stuffer, $2.33 per body wash. If you think that's a good deal, yay or nay. This stuff really isn't moving, so pending if they give us like a spend 40, get 20 back in January, which they do with the P&G products over at Rite Aid. Something with the P&G products of spend an amount, get like 50% back. So this is probably, let's hope it's part of it. And clearance body wash, I mean, with this coupon and say like a 10 back when you spend 50, it's limitless what you could do. Obviously, if you have those Caress coupons, that might be something to grab as well. For $2.89, most shoppers would probably just grab them. So that's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.